Hello, dear traders. This is Alex Gerchik and the Gerchik Co Company, and today we're going to talk about the Forex market. I hope when you're watching us, you're participating with us, you're trading with us, and you make money with us. There's the two things I wanted to talk to you about. First of all, we have some kind of lottery in our company, which is called Summer Hit. It's actually very simple. You don't have to buy a ticket. All you do, you put in the $1,000 into your account, and you automatically become a participant in a lottery. You have a chance to win the either iPhone or a Samsung Galaxy, or at the end of 3 months, you are basically become automatic participant in a context. You can win up to $3,000 among all the users. And the second thing, as you know, we have right now season number 5, trading in a demo accounts. When you trade in demo, you show the results. If your results good enough, you can be in a 55 top participants and get $1,000 in your team account, and you can start the professional career. Today, as I said, we're going to talk about the Forex. So if you're watching us, you know that some instruments then went to our favors. So right now, one by one, we're going to go and we're going to begin with the usual is a euro dollar. And as you remember, I told you about euro dollar, that euro dollar is going to go down, and that exactly it went down. It basically, as you see, the level that we drew before, it's a 1,111.72. It was easily broken. Actually, today was a very good day to make a trade. You see, you could easily enter the trade today with a less than 20 points stop loss and make 4 to 1. As you see, it did very well. You know, it has a very short falls. You could have easily made money there, and fast money and good money. Let's see, the low of the bar is pretty much 111. So, you know, 11 to 12 points pips stop, and you have a instrument went up almost 70 points. So, you know, you could have get easily 7 to 1. The euro basically still looks down. I don't believe the euro is going to go up. I think honestly the euro is looking lower, and in this particular case scenario, I think if the euro is going to break 111, if we're going to go further down, you see it's a basically opening range, and we easily going to go probably to 108 here. But as I said before, you know, euro doesn't look that the euro is going to go up. So no matter what you do, if you really think the euro is going to go up to 114, 115, there is a very big doubt. The euro probably going to go back to 108, and then maybe after that to 104. Honestly speaking, you know, I'm looking to euro 1 to 1 in the near future. So let's see. The Japanese yen, as you see, has a upper level 108.727. It has all the chances to go, and most likely is going to go. From there, we have to take a look where the level is going to stay, if it's going to sustain or it's not going to sustain. So in this case scenario, we'll take a look with the euro and how the euro is, how the Japanese yen is behaving. The level is very strong. Most likely, Japanese yen is not going to have a chance to break at once and right away. So most likely we have to watch for the false breakout. GBP, as you remember last time who was watching us 2 weeks ago, right here, I said right away the GBP is going to go lower, and the GBP did went down. You see it broke the low, and right now it looks like it's going to go lower. I'm also expecting pound to go to about 119. That's what I'm looking for. It looks like it's accumulating the position, and pound, British pound, it's going to go lower to about 118. Gold, as you also saw it, I said gold is looking very good. It's going to go higher. Right now, it's trying to consolidate, and if the gold is not going to pull down, or its gold is not going to pull back, the gold has all the chances to go, and I do expect gold to still go higher. If stock market is going to sell off, and one day it will, the gold is going to go higher. So right now, I think the gold is basically is not a bad buy, above 1440. If you buy gold, you see gold right now is an excellent situation. If the gold is going to break 1440, it has a chance to go 1500 and 1540, so almost $100. and up, and it looks very promising. CL, honestly, about the futures, oil futures, I don't have any idea where it's going to go. It doesn't look anything to me. So I don't know where the oil is going to go. It doesn't look that it's really building a position somewhere. You know, and from this point, it might go lower or high. I don't know. So I don't make, let's put it this way, any predictions about the oil. Canadian dollar. Canadian dollar right now trying to hold above 131. As you see, that's the level. If Canadian dollar is going to have a chance to hold on over 131, then you'll have all the chances to go higher and higher. So, you know, hold on to it, take a look. If it's not going to have a chance to go higher, make sure if it's going to go below 131, you either enter the short position or you get out. But the Canadian dollar looks not too bad and has all the chances basically to pull just a little higher here. New Zealand dollar, you see, it looks like it's going back to 0.65. It's a purely range situation. It goes up, down, up, down, up, down. It doesn't look like it's going to probably break a low right away, but it looks like it's definitely going to go to 0.658. And that's what we're expecting from the New Zealand dollar. Or Australian dollar, pretty much the same. It's just going a little bit faster. Right here, we're expecting the Australian dollar 0.69197. Right here, it has all the chances to go to this level. So that's what we're expecting. Australian dollar. And what else? The last one is the Bitcoin. Very interesting situation. Take a look. I want to show to you. High is 937382, so almost 9374. Take a look. 9374. Penny for penny, extremely strong level. It's trying to hold down above. If it's going to basically build a position and it's going to hold down above 9374, it has all the chances to go much higher. So basically, watch for this level. Hopefully, if this level is gone, it's not going to be broken. Then the Bitcoin has all the chances to go higher. With the cryptocurrency, is a very, very special story. The cryptocurrency right now, everybody expecting that some law or rules is going to be passed, and nobody knows exactly what's going on. So with the cryptocurrency, make sure you watch very closely what's going on and trade only with the levels. If the level 93.74 is going to be broken to the downside, then we can see a really big collapse to the Bitcoin. Anyway, thank you very much, guys, for listening and watching. I hope you like it, and have a nice day. All the best.